This is the Petersburg. It's a 1,500 square foot, 2-bath, 2-bedroom home. This Petra Art Slate on this side of the island really makes it stand out. You'll see travertine tile. Corian countertops. This homeowner chose to do what so many of you are choosing to do now, which is to have an island that's a different color. So these are actually hickory cabinets that were brown, and this one is black. This home is indeed beautiful. This is a large pantry that'll be right off your kitchen. Here is a full bath. This is the second bedroom. Perfect for an office or a guest room. Also, this laundry room is going to be a stunner. So these are stone cabinets. Look how huge this is. It's only a 1,500 square foot home, and this makes you feel like you're in a 2,000 square foot home. That's an ironing board that you can have built into any home. Check out this laminate countertop. Isn't that pretty? Nice big sink, and this is just off of the garage. That's where you'd enter your home, and as you come in, you've got cubbies. Plenty of space to get out of the dirty clothes from the farm. These are stone cabinets. This is huge. Look how wide this is to come in. These are hickory floors. We don't do floors, but just in case you want to know what might match. There's your window. And this is a great surprise. I'm seeing a lot of this lately. It's a barn door entering the bathroom. Of course, I have the other door in front of it at the moment. But you just slide that barn door shut. And we'll have pictures of this up on the website too. That's our standard door, but with craftsman trim. Again, this is hickory cabinets. And once you stain them these medium colors, this is a saddle brown stain. It kind of calms down how wild hickory can be, and it just looks gorgeous. I'm gonna get close up so you can kind of see if you like variants in wood. This is definitely the cabinet style for you. Nice linen, that's a great size vanity. This would be a pocket door into your closet. Don't often show toilets, but this is just a cute little setup. And here you have your walk-in shower. That looks like a high-profile base. You can see the onyx goes all the way up to the ceiling in this one. This is very easy to clean, much better than grout and tile. There's a seat and some caddies. The shower head you see is not going to be ours, but it's a phenomenal shower head. So I want you to see how this base works when you're in a walk-in shower. Basically, there's this little wall here that will block the water. I did a lot of studying on it. This is what blocks the water for you. It goes all the way up. Everybody that has one of these raves about them. Absolutely love them. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the kitchen to finish this one out. Again, this is Petersburg, 1,500 square foot. Those are French doors there you see going out to a huge patio. Wait till you see the exterior of this home. Again, we'll have pictures up of this home on our website. And probably post it under this feed as soon as I get them up. I can't possibly get all of this in one screen, but it's just beautiful. I'm gonna go up close on this travertine tile too. We filled the pits in it, but this travertine tile is just gorgeous. So it will be pitty. I'm gonna show you what I mean by pitty. These are the pits and we fill those in. It just looks seamless once it's in. Very pretty.